जब कुछ समय पहले भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक प्रस्ताव पारित किया गया था, कन्वेंशन अगेंस्ट करप्शन. It also included the issue of illegal bank accounts in other countries. And so, having undertaken a 40-day yatra in the country on the issue of black money in foreign banks, at the end of the yatra, I had declared that all members of the party, members of parliament of the party, will make a declaration and submit it to their respective presiding officers, the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Rajya Sabha Chairman, that we have no illegal accounts anywhere in the world. And we have today 112 members in the Lok Sabha. We had 115, but one of them has become a chief minister in Karnataka and 2 have been suspended. So it is 112. And in the Rajya Sabha we have 51. So today we met the Speaker and the Chairman on this Anti-Corruption Day. According to the UN Security Council, they have also indicated that we would like December 9th to be observed as the Anti-Corruption Day throughout the world. So on this day, we called on the Speaker and the Honorable Chairman of the Rajya Sabha and submitted to them all these declarations, except one from the Rajya Sabha, whose daughter is critically ill in Bombay and who is not here, Ram Jethmalani. And he could not come. Apart from his, all others, 112 in the Lok Sabha and 50 in the Rajya Sabha, these have been submitted to the presiding officers. And I have also suggested to them, though it's not for them to do, that just as when a person becomes a candidate in an election, he is required by the Election Commission to declare his assets. A declaration of this kind that we have submitted to the 2 presiding officers could also be part of that declaration. It would not be difficult to make that slight amendment in the law, but it would obligate everyone. If anyone has a legal account somewhere, who does business abroad, he would indicate that, and if he doesn't have, he will indicate that. So the issue of black money in foreign banks, and particularly money earned out of corruption or other illegal means. In fact, the whole issue started in the West, mainly after 9/11, when America came to know that a lot of money that was used for terrorism was of this nature. राष्ट्र संघ की सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल ने जो भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ प्रस्ताव पारित किया है और जिसमें विदेशी बैंकों में जिन लोगों ने अवैध पूंजी रखी हुई है उसका भी उल्लेख है, और एक प्रकार से उस सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के रेजोल्यूशन के कारण दुनिया के उन देशों ने, जैसे स्विट्ज़रलैंड है, उन्होंने अपने कानूनों में परिवर्तन किया है। एक कानून पारित किया है स्विट्ज़रलैंड ने जिसका नाम है रेस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इलीगल एसेट्स एक्ट 2011, इसी साल के फरवरी में पास किया है।